So one of the things that you can do inside of Thunderbird is add in attendees to events that you have in your calendar. For example, I have this particular event right here, and if I were to double click and click on edit, then you can see that I have this particular event. But let's say I want to invite certain attendees to attend this particular event so that reminders and emails is sent to them regarding this particular event. In that case, you can go around onto invite attendees section right here. And what you can simply do is you can go around and type in their email address. So I can go ahead and type in their email address right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is an email address right here. Type in another email address right here, just like this. Press enter and type in another email address of the attendees right here. Press enter, and this is what you have. So this is the required attendees, as you can see right here, and individuals. And if I were to press OK right here, then the attendees are added in. But still the invitation has not been sent. So to send out the invitation to the attendees, simply go around and click on send and close, and the emails will be sent on to 4 particular attendees that are added. And over here, you can see that these are the attendees right here for this particular event. And you can go ahead and edit it and then go around onto attendees section. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also go ahead and remove them out if you don't want them anymore right here, just like this. Press OK and edit them out just like this as well. And that is how you can add in attendees to events inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.